Today, I'm going to teach you how to create 4 professional transitions in Premiere Pro, step by step. Transition is a white flash between clicks. Drag the video down to the timeline. To scale the video to fit the composition area, right-click it, go to the Transform menu, and select Fit to Compta. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want to make a cut and press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Alternatively, go to the Edit menu and select Split Layer. The video will now be split into 2 separate layers. Start by creating a white background over the video. Right-click in the Layers panel, select New, then Solid. To trim or split the white solid layer, move to the desired transition point and press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. Next, navigate to Layer, Transform. In the Scale settings, unchain the proportions, unlink, and reduce the scale to a fraction of the video size. Duplicate the white solid layer by pressing Ctrl plus D. Then, move the second solid to the opposite side of the video. Just like before, you can adjust its size and dimensions to the scale settings. After that, select the other video layer, right-click it, and from the Context menu, choose New, Adjustment Layer. Next, split the adjustment layer at the desired point using Ctrl plus Shift plus D, just as we did before. Then, go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Levels, and drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, increase the values for Input White and Output White. Next, select the adjustment layer and press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Then move the duplicate to apply the same effect to the other side. Under the Parent and Link column, select White Solid 1 from the drop-down menu. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a smooth paper unfold transition using just a few easy steps. In Adobe Premiere Pro, drag the transition overlay and the paper transition video into your timeline. Links in the description. Select the first video clip and move it up by 1 track. Drop the RIP paper transition video onto the timeline. You'll find the download link for this transition file in the description. Scale up the transition video in the Scale menu. Next, let's trim the first video clip right at the beginning of the transition, making a clean cut. Now head over to the Effects panel and search for the Track Matte key effect. Drag and drop it onto the first clip. Then with that clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the Track Matte settings. Since our transition is on Video Track 3, set Matte to Video 3. You may not see immediate changes in the program monitor. Now let's apply an effect to the RIP paper file. Search for Luma key, then drag and drop it onto the ripped paper video. Head over to Effect Controls and change the threshold value from 100 to 50. You should now see a noticeable change in the preview. You'll see the start of the effect, but not quite yet. Hold Alt and drag the transition to duplicate it. Select the duplicated file, go to Effect Controls and change its blending mode from normal to hard light. Here's how the effect looks. Now drag the last clip under the transition, then set the opacity of the first video layer to 0%. The results will be amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. In this tutorial, I will show you before and after white transition tutorial in Premiere Pro. First, drag the video onto the timeline. To duplicate the video, press Alt and drag the video dot or Ctrl plus D. Next, cut the section you want to use to start this transition. Then simply drag it over the other section to replace it. Now we will change the first part of the video to black and white and leave the other part as is to feel the difference during the effect. Go to the Effects menu and search for Lumetri Color, and drag it to the video. In the Effect Control menu, go to Lumetri Color, then to Basic Collection, and under Saturation, reduce the quantity. Next, Navigate to the Effects panel and search for White. Scroll all the way to the end of the list to find the white transition. Drop this directly onto the junction between your two clips. You should probably zoom into the timeline to see the effect clearly. Finally, stretch the edge of the transition to increase its overall duration. After that, select the transition to open its settings. Navigate to the Effect Controls panel where you can customize the details. This is where you can fine-tune the look to your liking. For instance, you can include a border if you want to avoid a sharp jump between your black and white and color footage. You can enlarge the effect and slow down the effect's movement. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us and see all the new content. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of applying this neon transition within Premiere Pro. To begin, add 2 or more images to your timeline as explained. Head to the Effects tab, look for Neon White, and place the effect directly between your 2 clips. If you wish to customize the glow, simply select the transition and open the Effect Controls panel. From there, locate the color settings to pick your preferred shade and hit OK to apply. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.